Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Nadias Kitchen Vlogs USA. Today we're here at Amazon Fresh, a grocery store that is sponsored by Amazon, basically self-explanatory. But I decided to show you guys what's inside Amazon because this is quite different from a normal grocery store. It's just a tad bit different, nothing spectacular, but we're gonna be going inside and I'm gonna be showing you guys what's the difference between a normal grocery store and an Amazon Fresh grocery store. So if you want to know what's gonna be in the video, don't go anywhere and let's get started on with the vlog. So here I am. I'm just gonna be showing you guys a little bit of the different ways that you can pay for Amazon. I think you do get 10% off on some items if you have Amazon Prime, which I do, so that was really nice. Save money, live better. So here I am just showing you guys the food section, the organic fruits, not food, but the fruit section. I did think they were a bit expensive because like 69 cents for a plum. That is quite expensive in my opinion, guys. Obviously this is in my opinion. And then here I am. I think my mom was just trying to show you guys where to exactly go, so let's see where she's going to be taking us, because even I don't know, guys. Let's see, she's taking us to the produce section, and then these are fairly same price, nothing different, nothing so out of the blue, so that wasn't too bad. And then here is just your normal produce sections, like tomatoes and the stuff that you get normally. And then but they have everything layered very nicely, like it's very clean and it's very aesthetic. I really like it because normal grocery stores, they are a bit dirty, obviously because they don't get time to clean up every hour, but this store is very clean and it's very organized. I really liked it, like all the mayonnaise, whatever you guys say, is the mayonnaise section, all the ketchups, like I think it's also color coordinated too, so I really like that. And they have a whole section of bananas, and then the seafood, obviously all the fresh food, and the meat and seafood produce as well. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys around. And then they have pastas, linguine, or however you pronounce that. Oh my god, okay, wow, I can't talk today. So as you guys can see, the little blue sticker has a 10% off sign, so if you guys have Amazon Fresh, it is a 10% off deal. So that's really, at least you save something on it. And a lot of them do have a 10% off sign. A lot of them are on sale, so it just depends what you're going to be grabbing from that section. And then this is all of the pastas and noodles section. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys. There's not much of a big difference, but I think the layout is quite different because your normal grocery stores wouldn't have like a, what's it called, like a dining type to-go bar or something like that. I don't know how to say it like properly, but a to-go section where you can just buy stuff on the go. Like they have coffees and stuff, and they make you or like authentic food on like actually fresh, And I seen that, and these are just the juice sections and everything, just the normal, typical, This was my first time going into Amazon Fresh, so I was also surprised, as you guys might be. So I was just looking at everything that was placed and just, looking at the different prices, but there wasn't much of a difference, honestly. I think what I would say about this grocery store is, again, the to-go section and the dining hall. Quote dining hall. So they have everything that's made fresh, like they have pasta, they have salads, they have actual like chicken and stuff like that. And then here is the juice that my mom is going to get for us. So here's one of that. Okay. And then what is she going for? She's not going for anything. Oh, we did want milk, so we're gonna be grabbing milk. And then we ended up getting some cat food for my cat because we forgot that. Okay, guys, and this is just the juice section. Okay, wow, I cannot talk today. That's kind of funny. Anyway, so this day, it was Rabiul the 11th of night, and we needed to get some stuff. And we stopped by Amazon Fresh because we didn't have any juice or milk. And then I remembered I didn't have cat food. Honestly, guys, my cat eats a lot. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. So I had to get some cat food for her, and they had a really good deal as well because I usually get like a really big pack for her at Walmart, and so I thought that was really nice. I think it was like $1.50 difference. So yeah, there wasn't much of a price difference. I really enjoyed that. And then this worker was just doing his thing, fixing everything up. But I did notice a little, I guess everywhere inflation has been going up, but the cans are super expensive, like 3 for $14. That's kind of expensive, and that's for Pepsi, guys, not even for Coke. That's for Pepsi. And Pepsi, like, super expensive. It's like $8 for like the 12 cans or something like that. Over here it is. Well, that's where I've seen. So they're barely on sale. And then here is just like the frozen section, and then the avions were also 10% off. If you have like Amazon, this is what I was talking about, the Amazon Prime. Anyways, this is what I was talking about, the food to go. They had this pasta. It was a pasta salad. This is for vegans or like vegetarians, because this doesn't have any meat in it or anything like that. I think it's just sun-dried tomatoes and spinach, so I really like that. This is very efficient for people who work in the morning and just need a to-go area, you know. And then this is, I believe, the pasta side, and I went to go ask if it was open because I know I was kind of hungry, you know. They had the boxes on the side. I was wondering if I could get it. And then here are just like the toppings. They had onions, bell pepper, red bell pepper, like chilies, and they had the salad. This is a salad bar, and then they had so the pasta salad bar goes with it. And then here is my mom just showing the cheese. On the left hand side, which you guys saw before, they had like the meat and everything, so I thought that was really nice. I really liked it. And on the opposite side, which I couldn't show you guys because it was closed, they have a little coffee bar, like where you can make actually like hot coffee, which was really cool. You could make like lattes, espressos, and they had like a pastry side. So I thought that was really cool for anybody who's working in the morning. I'm pretty sure this like super booked in the morning. I've never gone there. And then here is just like the little candy aisle. So this was like our short little vlog, you know. We just wanted to show you guys around and just show you guys how our day was going, because Amazon Fresh is a nearly new grocery store. I think it opened up like 2.5 years ago, but I believe in our area it opened up like, I would say, a year ago. So it's super fresh, you know. It's super new. We haven't gotten a lot to see. And then here is just our items being charged, you know. I just got some water and my cat's food, you know. That's really important. We just got some milk and just like small stuff, you know, and it's super clean. My mom really liked it as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Allah Hafiz, everybody.